Hello all, welcome to our channel. In the series of Constitution of India, as we are looking into the directive principles of state policy, our today's topic is implementation of directive principles of state policy. So as mentioned earlier in the previous videos, unlike the fundamental rights which are guaranteed by Constitution of India, the directive principles do not have a legal sanction and cannot be enforced in a court of law. However, the state is making every effort to implement the directive principles in as many sectors as possible. The noteworthy implementation is in the 46th Constitutional Amendment of 2002, which has inserted a new article, that is Article 21A, making free education for children below the age of 14 compulsory. For example, the Taxation Inquiry Commission of 1953-1954 was asked to examine the tax structure to suggest measures to reduce the inequalities of income and wealth and some other related subjects. The Industrial Development Regulation Act of 1954 and the establishment of Monopolies Inquiry Commission in 1965 were aimed to achieve the objective outlined by Taxation Inquiry Commission. The Monopolies Commission made the probing inquiries into the cause and extent of concentration of economic power in private hands, the factors responsible for monopolist tendencies in the national economy and their social consequence. Similarly, in early years of 1950s, land reform legislation was enacted to abolish intermediaries and zamindari systems, and now land, both rural and urban, are subject to ceilings and the surplus land has gone to the weaker sections of the community. In compliance with such laws, many states have enacted separate state act to prevent the concentration of land holdings and fixed ceiling for an individual owner. A large number of laws have been enacted to implement the organization of village panchayat as a unit of self-government. For raising the standard of living, that is from Article 47, the Government of India adopted the first ever large-scale program called Community Development Project in 1952 for rural reconstruction in the field of communication, transport, housing facility, sanitation, agriculture, education, etc. Regarding the prohibition of intoxicating drinks and drugs in Article 47, most of the states have enacted legislation and imposes some restrictions on it. Necessary legislations have been enacted to protect places and monuments of national importance. As to the separation of executive and judiciary of Article 50, most of the states have taken in legislative measures. Steps have been taken to assist and give free legal aid to needy village people. Lastly, the Government of India has enacted the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, that is NRGA, to ensure 100 days of work assistance to rural people, which is conformity to the rights to work enshrined in the directive principles of state policy of Indian Constitution. So this was all about the implementation of directive principles of state policy. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such content to our channel. Also do like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get the latest video notifications to it. Thank you.